As you can see right now, we started the Graphenizer 1 process. So we have filled this up with Graphenizer 1, and all of this is going now inside your wash pump, your pistons, nozzles, valves, EGR, turbo. All of that is going to get cleaned up, and then it will go towards your DPF and catalytic converter, and all the carbon will get flushed out using Graphenizer Carbon Flush. So today we have this Innova Crysta 2020 model. Right now this is giving black smoke problem, and we are going to be treating that using Graphenizer process, Graphenizer Carbon Flush process. Right now we're starting off with Graphenizer 2. Shake it properly, and you're going to be pouring this inside your engine, okay, like so. So this is for every 1 liter of your engine oil, you're going to pour about 50 ml. Okay, so now what this is going to do is it will be going inside your engine oil. This engine oil's life is 10,000 kilometers. Adding this is going to increase the life up to 4 times. So you'll be getting approximately 40,000 kilometer life with this. How does that happen? Basically, this reduces the temperature of your engine oil, right? It reduces the temperature of your engine. But it's creating a layer of graphene, and graphene is a very good heat conductor. So because the heat is low, the viscosity levels are maintained. When the viscosity levels are, let's say the temperature is very hot, the engine oil becomes thin. But when the temperature is low, then the engine oil remains thick. So when the engine oil remains thick, the friction is less because there is more thickness between the friction particles. So friction is reduced. So logically, if the friction is reduced, the heat will be less. If the heat is reduced, then the viscosity level stays. If the viscosity level stays, then the vehicle life goes up, the engine oil life goes up as well. So that's the formula. Right now we are pouring about 300 ml into this Innova Crysta. Right now we're using Graphenizer 3. Shake it properly. I've already opened the tank cover, and now all you have to do is pour it like this. This is going to go inside your tank, and it will burn all your unburned fuel, all your bacteria, and this will clean your fuel tank and also your fuel lining. Over time, you'll start seeing that even your injectors are getting clean because of this. Now, what is the benefit of this? This will over a period of time, this will also clean your injectors. So keep using this Graphenizer 3.